So, the badminton's history began with the ancient game of battledore and shuttlecock in India, but the modern version developed in British India in the mid 1800s and was named badminton in England. The ancient origins. The game roots are in the ancient game of battledore and shuttlecock, played in civilization in Europe and Asia, including Greece, China, and Egypt, over 2,000 years ago. Development in British India. In the mid 19th century, a similar game known as Puna was popular in India. British Army officers stationed in India adopted this game by adding a net, and it became known as the Puna game. Popularization in England and Daming. British officers took the game back to England in the 1860s. The game gained popularity after being introduced at the Badminton House, the Gloucestershire estate of the Duke of Beaufort around 1873. The sport was then named after the state. Formalization and international growth. The first official rules and the first All England Championship were established in the late 1800s. The International Badminton Federation, or IVF, now the Badminton World Federation, now is BWF, was formed in 1934 to govern the sport internationally. Basic skills. Number 1. Grip. The forehand grip held like shaking someone's hand, allowing a flexible wrist for powerful shots. Second is backhand grip, similar to the forehand but with your thumb resting the racket to control the backhand. The number 2, stance, ready position, balance, low stance that prepares you to move in any directions. Offensive, defensive, and net stance, different position on the court to suit various situations. Number 3, footwork, center return, returning to the center of the court to be ready for the next shot. Controlled step, using small efficient step to move to hit the shuttlecock, lunging and recovering needed. Number 4, serve, high serve, shots that travel high and too deep to the back of the opponent's court. Low serve, a shot hit below the waist that just clears the net and lands in the service line. Flick serve, surprise serve that can be hit low or high with a sudden flick of the wrist. Basic rules and regulations. Scoring. A match is the best of the 3 games. A game is won by the first side to reach 21 points. If the score is tied at 20/20, the first side to gain at 2 points lead wins the game. Serving. The serve must be hit diagonally across the court. The serve must be hit underhand and below the server's waist. The server's racket must initially hit the base of the shuttlecock. And the last is the faults. A fault results in a point for the opponent and the loss of the rally. Common faults include hitting the shuttlecock out of bounds, the shuttlecock not going over the net, a player touching the net with their rackets or body while the shuttle is in play, hitting the shuttlecock twice, distracting the opponent during play.